Did you know? Catatumbo lightning is a lightning phenomenon occurs in Venezuela, where lightning strikes in the same place up to 280 times per hour. Nestled where the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo, this natural wonder lights up the sky for up to 160 nights a year. That's 10 hours of electrifying beauty every night. The lightning can strike up to 280 times per hour at its peak. Now, why does this happen? Warm, moist air from the Caribbean meets cool mountain winds from the Andes, creating a perfect storm, literally. The rising warm air forms towering cumulonimbus clouds, sparking this electrifying display. And get this, methane from nearby swamps and oil fields might even boost the charge. Historically, sailors called it the Lighthouse of Maracaibo because you could see it from hundreds of kilometers away. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.